everyone! Welcome to my channel, your brand new favorite corner of the internet for all things beauty, fashion, and personal style. I'm so excited you're here. And if you love transforming your look, expressing yourself through style, and discovering fun and creative tips and tricks, you're in the right place. Here, we're going to dive deep into the world of beauty. From easy, everyday makeup tutorials to glam looks for special events. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup lover, I'll break things down step by step with simple, helpful tricks that actually work. I'll also be sharing tons of hairstyle ideas, quick ones for school or work, and elegant ones for weddings, parties, or whenever you want to feel extra pretty. Love fashion? Me too. We'll explore the latest fashion trends, styling tips, and how to mix and match your wardrobe to create stunning looks. From traditional frocks and gowns to modern dresses and casual outfits, I'll help you find your vibe and build confidence in your own style. And of course, what's a great look without the perfect accessories? Get ready for lots of jewelry styling tips, matching ideas, and cute ways to make every outfit pop. My goal is to help you feel confident, beautiful, and empowered, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you shine from the inside out. If all of this sounds exciting to you, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and join this growing family of fashion and beauty lovers. I'll be posting new videos every week with fresh content, easy tutorials, and loads of inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now let's begin this glam journey together. Remember, style is personal, beauty is everywhere, and you are always enough. Don't forget to subscribe,